Hello everyone, and in this video I'll walk you through how to fix a TikTok draft video problem. Well, when you're on TikTok and create a draft and have difficulty accessing it, I'll show you a handful of solutions and tips on how to solve it. First of all, I'll make a small video here for a couple of seconds, then go ahead and select next, and also, if I simply like to save it as a draft, I can just select drafts at the bottom left there. Now that my video is saved as a draft, I can simply go to my profile and, as you can see, my drafted video is directly beside my other TikTok video, so I can simply select that. And, if you're having issues accessing the drafts, please remember that these drafts are made available via your device's storage and aren't even on the TikTok server. So if you're experiencing difficulty accessing them, it's possible that the video is no longer available on your smartphone. And if you need access to it, just select it and it'll bring it back up for you to be able to post. Or you can simply select cancel. However, a neat thing that you can do if you're experiencing difficulties with the video is to tap the back button, and you can continue shooting. And now you can just continue to record that video. After that, you can either save it as a draft again or upload it to TikTok. If you're still having difficulties accessing it, that suggests it's been deleted off of TikTok's database, and you should go into your gallery to see whether it was saved in your gallery. So, in this situation, it isn't saved in my gallery, and if that happens and it isn't there, there's really no way to recover it. You'll have to really record it again. Please leave any questions in the comments section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.